Hey there, fellow Tally enthusiasts. Welcome back to our Tally Prime tutorial series. Today, in part 3, we're tackling something super practical. How to generate an e-invoice online in Tally Prime. This feature is a game changer for businesses in 2025, making invoicing faster, more secure, and fully compliant with government regulations. Whether you're a small business owner or an accountant, mastering this will save you heaps of time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have Tally Prime installed and updated to the latest version for 2025 features. Open the software and select your company from the list. Once you're in, navigate to the Gateway of Tally menu and go to Transactions. Here, choose Accounting Vouchers, or directly select Sales, if that's what you're working on. Now, create a new voucher by pressing Alt plus F8 or selecting the option from the menu. Enter all the necessary details like customer information, item descriptions, quantities, rates, and taxes. Don't forget to enable the e-invoice option. Look for the checkbox or settings under Advanced Configuration. Once everything is filled out, hit Save, and then select Generate e-invoice online. Tally Prime will automatically validate your data and connect to the government portal. If everything checks out, you'll get a confirmation with a unique IRN, invoice reference number. You can then download or share the e-invoice directly. Pro tip: always verify your GST details to avoid any errors. This step is crucial for seamless processing. And just like that, you've generated your e-invoice in record time. This method is not only easy but also ensures your business stays ahead with digital compliance. If you're new to Tally Prime, check out our previous videos for basics. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.